What's going on, guys? Today on the Rotary Shop we're going to be swapping out the exhaust on the RX7 and making it sound from this to this. So the exhaust I decided to go with is a Racing Beat, which is very popular for Mazda. It looks very nice. Welds look very clean, as you can see. And it comes with all the hardware that you need, instructions and whatnot. Now I'm going away from this HKS high power because it is very loud, and I live in sort of a very quiet neighborhood, so all these people around here absolutely hate this car. Now obviously the first thing we need to do is jack up the car, so I decided to go with jacking up my car from the differential. So